Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to go over the left side panel and customizing it for your live stream. One of the advantages of using Google Hangouts is that you will be able to share your screen. But one of the other things you're going to be able to do is to utilize what's called the group chat. Now this group chat is going to be available with the people that are going to be on the panel with you. So for example, we invited certain people using this link at the top. Those people are going to be presenting with us, and as they present, we're going to be able to have an internal dialogue with them as we present, and we're going to use this chat box in order to do it. Now the other thing we're going to be able to do is share our screen, and to start the screen share process we're going to click this green button. Now when that happens, then Google is going to show us all the screens that we have available for us to share with our audience. So when we get ready to do that, all we'll need to do is to choose the screen that we're going to be interacting with, and we're going to click on it, and then we're going to click the share button. You'll notice here that you'll have a way of stopping the process by clicking this button, and of course you can end the Hangout altogether. But basically you want to utilize this area so that if you need to stop sharing your screen and to go on to something else, perhaps back to your camera, you can do that. So you can still remain live and yet stop screen sharing. So for example, let's click the stop button. And what you're going to notice then is that Google goes back to the screen share with your camera. Now we also have a cameraman button. Now this cameraman button allows us to control the experience with the individuals that are going to be participating with us on our live stream. So for example, it says when guests join, we can hide their audio and video. Again, all that does is give you a measure of control over the live stream. We can choose only to broadcast the live stream, so the audience will not see the images at the bottom. So if we click this button yes, we want the audience to only see what's going to be on the screen. And when we want to maintain control over when they're going to be able to speak, we can make sure that everyone that joins this broadcast with us, and again, those are going to be the individuals that you invite here, they're going to be muted when they join. So this gives you a measure of control. We also have what's called the Hangout control room. And Google tells us one of the things we can do is we can turn someone's volume up or down. We can eject someone if they're not behaving properly. So we click OK. And then our control room gives us access to each person who's participating with us, their volume, their mic, and we can eject them also. When we've stopped working with the control panel, we can X out of it here. Now because we're going to be live streaming, there's one other application that we're going to want to take note of. We want to hover over these three buttons. We want to click Add Apps. We want to click the Hangout Toolbox. When we do that, we want to install the extension. Once we install the Hangout Toolbox, what we're going to be able to do is we're going to be able to add in a lower third. So for example, all we need to do is to write in our tagline. We can choose our color, or we can upload our own overlay or our own lower third by using this custom button. Once we have our overlay looking the way we want, all we'll need to do is to turn this on. And when we turn on this button, our lower third will then be available. We also have available to us other settings. However, the only thing that we're really going to be working with our Hangout Toolbox on our live stream primarily is going to be the lower third. So once we've done our setup, we are then ready to go live with our broadcast. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.